Hi, and welcome to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. My name is Ford, and in case you couldn't guess just based on my whole thing, I really like Halloween. So I'm excited to be sharing with you some news about an upcoming stitch along that, if you like ghosts and goblins as much as I do, will probably be right up your alley. It's the Ghostly Gathering Stitch Along. Now, if you're not familiar, a stitch-along usually refers to what's known as a mystery stitch-along. And with a mystery stitch-along, a bunch of people are stitching a project all at the same time, and they don't know what it's actually going to look like until each section of the pattern comes out. So the overall design is a surprise, and it gets revealed to everyone all at once. The fun part of this is working together with others at the same time who find out at the same time that you do what each episode consists of. Now, the Ghostly Gathering will have a spooky forest theme, and it's designed for us by Emma Congdon of Stitch Rovia, an extremely talented designer that's part of the reason this collaboration is so exciting. It will be released in 4 parts starting July 17th, and the last one will be released just a little bit before Halloween, so you'll have enough time to get it finished before the big day arrives. Now, as of the time of release, it's already available for pre-order, but even if you're a little bit late and the stitch along has already started, you can still join. Hit the link for the website down there in the description and you can still hop onto this stitch along. This pattern is suitable for both beginners to cross stitch as well as advanced stitchers. It uses just full cross stitches, but it uses them in a really smart and clever way to create a lot of detail, enough to still be interesting and exciting to stitch, but without using any specialty stitches like fractionals or French knots or backstitch or any of the stuff I spend all my time on this channel normally teaching you how to do. So whether it's your first project or your 500th project, you're still going to really enjoy it. It's not going to be too much trouble. Now, I've been cross-stitching for about 15 years now, and I've been hosting the channel here for Caterpillar Cross Stitch for a couple of years. Caterpillar Cross Stitch is a homegrown brand that Sally built just because she got tired of her old job. So by buying Caterpillar products and by joining in on the stitch along, you're also supporting a small family-run business. In addition to the store link down there in the description, in my first comment, you're also going to see a link to a place that you can sign up for our Stitch Club email newsletter. When you sign up, you'll get an instant download of 9 free PDF cross-stitch patterns that's worth £54. At the current exchange rate, that's like $74. So make sure you hit that link, and then you'll also get more advance notice of upcoming future stitch-alongs, projects, and stitch retreats, that kind of stuff too. Halloween is a really popular season with crafters and with cross-stitchers in particular, and I know that I can't be the only recovering goth kid that cross-stitches out there. So you're going to definitely want to get in on this one. So when you buy the stitch along, if you sign up for the kit, you'll get sent out all of the supplies that you need, from fabric to floss to a needle, and you'll be able to get that all arranged and get started. You can also buy it as PDF only and go and get the supplies yourself if you're a little more comfortable with that process. But then later, with each pattern release, you'll get an email that'll have a downloadable PDF version of the pattern. And that pattern, you can print it off yourself, you can send it to a local copy shop to be printed, or if you like to work from a digital version, it's a high enough resolution that you can zoom in and work directly on your digital screen. I know a lot of people like to work from tablets and those kinds of things as their patterns without having to worry about paper that can get lost or that, the waste of paper itself. I have the kit in hand, which means I have the beautiful purple permin fabric that I've dyed my hair to match today for a special edition. It also is going to come with all of the floss that you need. The supplies are really nice. It comes with a good high quality needle as well, and it has these beautiful little floss cards that you can work directly off of these if you don't want to have to bobbinate your floss to work from. They've got these great little slits here, which are really great for tucking the ends of the floss in. Notice how these don't come unwound even with handling. And then they've got the little holes punched here that you can use as a drop. So with your cutoff pieces, you can just stick both ends of it through that, loop it through itself in like a half hitch type thing, and that'll keep all of your flosses organized for you if you don't necessarily want to have to transfer them to bobbins. But if you like to have specialized things like bobbins for a particular kit, check out these little bat-shaped acrylic bobbins. They come in 6 colors, they're really cute. They have slits on both sides, which is nice because that helps me keep separation of which piece I'm working from and which is just the end of the skein. And then each month you'll get a small piece of the pattern. It doesn't come out too fast. You have plenty of time to finish each section before it comes out, so you don't lose momentum, which is one of the things I love about the pace at which Caterpillar's patterns come out. You can actually keep up with it. It's also really nice if you join some of the social spaces where other people are working on the same project. So make sure that you hit up especially the Caterpillar Cross Stitch Facebook group and the Caterpillar Cross Stitch Instagram, because that's where a lot of that social interaction happens there. A stitch along is a social event, people doing it together, sharing ideas, sharing progress, sharing customization ideas, and that kind of stuff. And there are like 25,000 people in the Facebook group, a lot of whom will be working on this project as well, so it's a really great social structure to help keep you moving and motivated. That's also why this starts so far ahead of Halloween, is because we want you to be able to reasonably finish it before Halloween. And again, the link to sign up and buy the Stitch Along is down there in the description. The kits are a really great value for what is included, and they do ship internationally. You'll want to sign up early to make sure that you have all your stuff in hand before that first pattern drop, though. Another nice thing about doing a stitch along with Caterpillar is that they really know what they're doing. This is their 25th stitch along that they've done since 2017. Thousands of happy subscribers have done stitch alongs with them. You don't get any of the problems that you might encounter with someone who's not as experienced at it, like patterns that don't match up, or colors that are wrong, or mismatched symbols on the patterns, or late drops, or any of that kind of stuff. So going with an experienced stitch along runner like Caterpillar is really, really nice. This pattern features some really beautiful and meaningful Halloween motifs with a lot of great detail without any difficult stitching. So it's going to be a really fun thing to get done and to impress your friends with homemade Halloween decoration. So what comes in the kit? In the kit, you're going to get full color illustrated instructions of how to cross stitch. You're going to get 2 versions of every pattern release, one that's color and symbols and one that's symbols only if you like to work from black and white or if you only have access to a black and white printer. And you'll be able to download those, and they're split over A4 sized, or in the US pretty similar to letter sized pages, to make them easy to handle. You're also going to get genuine DMC floss. Some kits that you'll see out there on the internet use floss that they say is DMC colors or something like that. Genuine DMC floss is really wobble in that. Genuine DMC floss is really high quality. It's double mercerized, the colors are always really color fast, and you can just feel the difference when you use it compared to cheaper flosses. I've had kits that said that they were DMC, and as soon as I touched the floss, I could tell that they were not. This is all genuine DMC floss. The pattern uses 15 colors, and you'll get all 15 of those colors in the kit. You'll also get a nice big piece of purple permanent fabric with plenty of extra space on the side. It comes in 3 different counts, 14, 16, and 28. If you're a beginner, I would recommend starting with the 14 count, but any of them will work really beautifully. It'll also come with a high quality needle that'll be enough to be able to finish the project with, and it comes with the beautiful color separators that I mentioned before. And the whole thing is beautifully packaged in this nice little cardboard sleeve by hand in Warwickshire, England, every single one. Again, you're supporting a small business by buying these kits. Now, above and beyond the standard kit, you can also get the ultimate kit, which includes everything that I mentioned, plus it has the beautiful bubbling Cauldron needle minder, and it comes with those really nice acrylic bat bobbins that I mentioned. This needle minder is really pretty, and it's extremely high quality. There are a lot of people out there selling needle minders, and they tend to skimp on a few things that make them work less well. One is that they tend to put a cheapo magnet on the back of a lot of them. These have big, strong magnets. They're also a hard enamel surface instead of a soft enamel surface. The metals that go into soft enamel surfaces usually actually block magnetic fields, so it makes them less efficient as needle minders. These things hold onto your fabric and they hold onto your needle really well, and because of the hard enamel surface, they stay nice and smooth and looking beautiful for basically forever. Or there's the premium kit, which just includes everything in the standard kit, and then that beautiful themed needle minder as well. Then the standard kit is an option, and you can order it just as PDF, where you will go and get your own supplies, and you'll get emailed printable PDF patterns for you to work from. The other neat thing about this Cauldron needle minder is that it will also coordinate with the subscription box that will come out, number 26, at around the same time. Make sure you check out the subscription box service down there in the description as well, because that's another really great product that Caterpillar offers. And the patterns that they release and the accessories that they release tend to coordinate with the things that come out in the prescription box to give you that whole synergistic enhancement. And this is just one of over 50 needle minders the Caterpillar Cross Stitch offers. All really nice, high quality, and if you get 3 of them on the website, you do get a discount as well. Another nice thing that comes from joining a stitch along with a well-established brand like Caterpillar Cross Stitch is the support that comes with it. Not only from the community, the other people doing the stitch along, but from Caterpillar itself. If you have any questions or problems, you can email support@Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and they can help you get it sorted out. And if you're more of a visual learner, you of course have me. There are 350 videos on this channel and a lot of tutorials and how-tos, great ideas and suggestions for how to finish and display these kinds of things as well, or how to customize them and make them your own. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of the future videos that I release, and because honestly that's how my performance is tracked, so it really helps me out if you do that, and I appreciate it if you do. Stitch along will also make a really great gift. If there's somebody in particular that you want to do it with, you can order one for yourself and one for them, and we'll send it with a nice gift note if you send one out as a gift as well. And something you don't often see with a thing like this is a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee. If you are not happy with your products, with your kit, you can return those things and get your money back from Caterpillar. Very few other craft supply companies give any sort of a guarantee like that. And go check out Caterpillar Cross Stitch's reviews on Trustpilot. I'm not just blowing smoke and mirrors. There are 740 plus positive reviews on Trustpilot for Caterpillar Cross Stitch. If you are ordering it to be shipped internationally, we do recommend that you get the tracking and get a signature confirmation just to make sure that it doesn't get lost. And one of the biggest questions people ask about stitch-alongs is, what if I run out of thread? What if I mess up and I have to cut out a bunch of stitches and I run out of thread? Well, for one thing, we include a lot of extra thread, so you don't really have to worry about that. And I have actually not personally ever known a person who ran out of thread in a Caterpillar Cross Stitch kit. But if you do, just email them. They'll send you more floss so you can finish it. We want you to be able to finish this project because we're all doing it together. So when we pack up these kits, we figure out how much floss you need, and then we add enough for margin for error, and then we throw in a little bit more just for funsies. So don't worry about running out of floss, and if you do run out of floss, still don't worry, just let us know and we'll get you some more. Another neat thing about it is because we use genuine DMC floss, the colors will always match up. If you decide you want to stitch another one later, you can go buy more and just make another of it because you'll still have the patterns. And doing the stitch along with a bunch of other people is a really great way to feel like part of community and feel connected, which, let's be honest, that's something we could all really use in this day and age, right? So make sure that you head over to the website and get it ordered today so that you'll get your kit out to you in time. The link is again down there in the description, and make sure that you check it out. I do want to thank you so much for watching me today. My name is Ford for Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and I will see you at the Ghostly Gathering. Ooh.